planets? I think that's what Lindsay was saying.
This is Mars. This is Mars, Mama.
What? Which is Mars?
That one.
That one?
And that's Jupiter.
Ooh, that's good.
And this is Texas.
Texas.
And that's Sugarland. No, actually, that's Texas and that's Sugarland.
Okay.
And this one is the beach.
Where? Which one's the beach?
That one.
Ooh, okay.
Is that a planet, Mama?
No.
Oh, so this is Mars. No, actually, I already said which one did I miss?
How about Earth?
Oh, that one is Earth, the biggest one.
Good.
She's back down here. I didn't go to my room.
Okay.
She sat on the stairs.
Can you? Okay, Lauren. What's that?